Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up a WordPress or WooCommerce plugin. Let's get started. In order to do this, what we can do is we can head over and scroll on your WordPress dashboard until you can see these plugins. So click on this Add New Plugin on the sub menu, and then from in there, you should be able to see this plugin marketplace of WordPress. So you have two options. You can search for plugins that they have available, or you can also upload a plugin that they have. So if you upload a plugin, it should be on the zip file. So you can choose in here some files that you can choose from. So for example, let's actually install this health check and troubleshooting. So click on this install now, and as you can see, it will install. Now, after a few seconds, you should be able to see the activate option. So just head over and click on this activate option in order to activate it in here. Once you have done that, as you can see, it's now active. Now you can head over and then just try to locate it by heading over and then just refreshing your site. Now in this, you can actually check a lot of things wherein you can find it. So you can see in here my dashboard on my left sidebar. As you can see in here some plugins, and when you try to scroll on, you can also see some more plugins. When you head over to your tools, you can see some more plugins, and when you head over to your settings, you can also see some more plugins as well. Some plugins will not appear because it will be automatically integrated to your WordPress, so just choose the plugins you want and then look for it. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.